we've actually had a really good thing happen around the crypto markets. This has happened in almost every single asset, Shiba Inu included, and this is showing us we may have some fun ahead of us as we get into a very volatile week. But I do want to talk about something that has not changed for Shiba Inu yet. And this is good because that means what we're seeing right now is a lot of organic growth. We have not gotten our big push yet. So what do we think comes next? So if you guys are new or haven't already, show your support for the channel down below. Hit that subscribe button, that bell. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Now, SHIB did in fact finish yesterday red, which sucks. I'd much rather be finishing, every single day green. But like I've said many times before, that's not how it works. Now, that being said, although yesterday was in fact red, it was a very small red day, only down 0.87%. And we did close our daily candle above this 20-day moving average. So you're starting to see SHIB hold these levels a lot better, just as it was back here as we were, prepping for our next rally to the upside, just as we were doing back here, like we were referencing. I mean, this trend is very, very similar to what we were seeing in April into May before SHIB made that next extension. Does that mean that's what's going to come next? What I will say is that we have gotten a bullish cross on that daily stochastic RSI. All right, so we have crossed above the signal line. That's a very big sign because, again, this is exactly what has led us on these extensions before. And what we're seeing is this is taking place throughout the crypto market. Look at almost every single asset in the space, BTC included, and this is happening right now. And that is good because it means that right now, conviction is remaining strong. People aren't freaking out and unloading. Who knows? Maybe that changes as the day and the weekend move on, right? People tend to be a little bit unpredictable. But, I think a lot of people right now are just comfortable waiting until we get to the middle of the week. Because like I've talked about in other videos here, we have a lot of things taking place. Q2 GDP report, FOMC meeting, PC report, White House crypto report. We actually have non-farm payrolls on Friday next week too. So there's a lot of things that have the potential to cause some stir in the market, some volatility. And, sometimes a little bit of volatility is what we need to escape this sideways trading range. I want to remind everybody, still huge short interest in the crypto market. A lot of people trying to suppress price for SHIB right now as well. What I will say is, despite our drop in terms of SHIB dominance the other day, setting a higher low, this is a great sign. And again, we're trying to work our way out of this big bull flag that SHIB is printing right now. We're still very much down at the bottom of this. But once we do, in fact, get a confirmed breach above this 100-day moving average, that's going to be a really big deal because, again, SHIB's going to try to target at about our 200, which is mid trend right now, and then try to make an extension to the upside, which would be very fun. Now, that being said, there is something that has not really changed for Shiba Inu at all. And this is this holders percentage by timeshare. And what we're seeing is that we have not had a big surge of SHIB speculation yet. Right now, we're still at 2% of holders holding for less than 1 month. All right. 79% of holders still holding for 1 year or more. 19% of holders still holding between 1 to 12 months. So you're not seeing any major shakeups in terms of holder composition, which is, again, a good thing. We're seeing a lot of, conviction. We're seeing a lot of consistency. And why this is so important is it looks like people that are getting into SHIB right now are the people that want to be here, that want to see things out through this bull market cycle. Obviously, again, like I've said before, that can change at any time. Who knows what's going to happen? But it is a very good sign that you have a very strong base right now. And what we're seeing, again, is still removal of supply from exchanges. Yes, we're doing that kind of cupping like we were talking about, but things on a fundamental level looking very good. Things on a chart level are looking very good. It's nice when everything is kind of working in conjunction with each other to prepare us for this next leg. Now, that being said, did want to show you guys this. Shiba Inu surge volume, setting higher lows there as well. So optics are remaining a little bit elevated for Shiba Inu. Now, that being said, I did take a look. We did kind of fall off in terms of retail over the course of the weekend. It's not really surprising. There are now 0 exchange app downloads in the top 200 in the Apple App Store. Not sure what it is on the Google Play Store right now, but things tend to get pretty quiet on the weekend. Like I've said, we've dropped in terms of volume by 50% across the crypto market. In terms of Shiba Inu, back down to $144 million. So it's kind of quiet overall. We're not making any crazy moves. Now it's about 6:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. We'll see how the day progresses. Maybe things will get a bit lively. Maybe we'll get some short liquidations that take place, but that's kind of where we're at. Again, just prepare for the week. The week is going to be the big thing. If we close today right where we're at, I'm fine with that. I really don't care. That's not a big deal. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.